palm-fringed beaches, misty mountains, tea plantations, centuries-old monuments, rare sightings, spectacular culture, incredible food, color and excitement, enchantment and bliss, and a warm welcome from our hearts. Sri Lanka is a land blessed in every way, and for centuries it has been a traveler's dream destination. As Marco Polo once said, Ceylon, for its actual size, is better circumstanced than any other island in the world. A place for unforgettable moments and wonderful memories. An island nestled in the southern waters of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka is surrounded by sun-kissed beaches, miles of coastline offering private secluded beaches, surf hubs, whale watching, deep sea diving, seafront resorts and restaurants, and so much more. Within hours of those beaches stand cool, misty mountains, breathtaking landscapes that are home to abundant tea plantations that have flourished for 2 centuries, sharing their wondrous Ceylon tea with the world. For the cultural enthusiast, over 2,500 years of Sri Lankan history and the vision of its mighty kings can be traced via colossal monuments, incredible architecture, and advanced engineering feats. The archaeological trail includes 6 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The temperate climate teems with endemic life and well-protected habitats. Sri Lanka, in fact, has the highest concentration of endemic species in the world. Wildlife Park offer guided tours with frequent sightings of rare leopards, elephants, sloth bears, and more. A land with a deeply spiritual past, Sri Lanka is the ultimate wellness experience. From its monasteries and meditation centers to its traditional healing practices known as Hela Vedakama and Ayurvedic practitioners, the modern spas and retreats, its focus on simple living and smorgasbord of clean, vegan food. Sri Lanka is the perfect hideaway to renew your spirit and awaken your senses. Sri Lankan food is a unique experience that reflects the diversity of its people, with religion proclivities and the absorption of influences from the many settlers over time. The exotic and delicious cuisine is highlighted by the magical use of the herbs and spices that grow on its soil. The growing popularity of Sri Lankan food can be understood in all its exhilarating glory on the streets, in the homes, on the beaches, and in any dining setting anywhere on the island. Sri Lanka's 21 million inhabitants represent a diversity of culture, religions, and languages, each celebrating their own rituals and heritage while respecting and sharing the richness of the others. Peaceful and considerate coexistence has been a hallmark of its people. But for 3 decades, Sri Lanka was held back in its march towards peace and prosperity by an internal conflict which was ended in 2009. The country has made steady advances over the past 12 years, slowly rebuilding and restoring trust. Sri Lanka has been driving reconciliation and unification at the very grassroots. And today, the Northern Peninsula, for so long the site of conflict and destruction, has emerged as a safe and modern region that delivers hope and prosperity to its people. Peace has uplifted Sri Lanka to embrace its true potential. It is a growing hub in South Asia with extraordinary prospects. Its strategic location on the maritime route that connects the east with the west and the natural riches within the island have always given Sri Lanka a significance far beyond its size. Historically, having attracted the attentions of the Dutch and the Portuguese from the 16th to the 18th centuries, Ceylon, as it was then known, was last held by the British Empire until the Declaration of Independence in 1948. Today, Sri Lanka is a bustling commercial and logistics center and a vital cog in the flow of trade between the 2 hemispheres. Cosmopolitan Sri Lanka, with its capable and educated human resources, modern infrastructure, technological prowess, quality of life, and connectivity, has attracted growing interest from global players. The state recognizes foreign direct investment as strategically important to the country's ambitions and its vision for people-centric economic development. Frameworks are in place to promote and facilitate greater investment, particularly in infrastructure, IT, tourism, food processing, and manufacturing. Sri Lanka's true potential has long been a well-kept secret. Famed as it has been for its beaches and tea, its cricket and its spices and sapphires, there's much more to this paradise isle. Come see for yourselves. The time is right. Visit, invest. Sri Lanka is ready.